Hello, my name is Timurlan Aytmuradov. I'm from Uzbekistan. Now we are participating at the regional forum about plastic waste management.
امروز در شهر دوشنبه سمیناری بین‌المللی اوید با پرتوهای پلاستیکی در ناحیه دوردست کوهستان تاجیکستان گذاشته شده است و در این سمینار از 35 دولت‌های دنیا اشتراک دارند. در این سمینار مسائل حاصلشوی پرتوها و حل راه‌های کاهش در میان پرتوهای پلاستیکی بررسی کرده شده است.
Hi guys, my name is Randy Bobosh from Seychelles. I'm an Assistant Quality and Standards Officer with the Ministry of Environment in Seychelles. We're here at the workshop in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, where we're working on reducing plastics in mountain areas.
Yes, my name is Goberi Tsasanyana from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, Kingdom of Lesotho. We are delighted to be part of the project on controlling plastic waste in the mountains and remote areas. This project is going to help us manage our parks so that our people will be trained on waste management plans and guidelines on how to sort plastic waste and also teach them how to control it, and so that our pristine mountains left litter free. Thank you.